Hello everybody, thank you for joining us. Today we're going to do a hand action showing a tennis racket swing. So if you have your pencils all set, I'm going to put down some framework and then get down to the details. So we're going to show, let's say, a person swinging the racket in just the generic conventional way. So we have, let's actually put the arm here. I'm coming right here. So that is the elbow that goes into the shoulder. Adjoining shoulder set. And here we will have the hand, of course, but we will go about it in this manner. Just put a bell shape for now. Now we can have the racket go, I think, somewhere around here. And then put in a nice oval here. Let's say that we're looking at it from that angle. And it's appearing a little squashed. So the hand is holding this racket. Okay, so if we can start with actually let's put down a little more framework because we have to show the fingers grasping this. So we'll go 1, 2, and 3. That is the bottom of the hand. I see there's a little bit of foreshortening going. So there's the arm going upward. There's the elbow going upward. And there's the chest, let's say, and body curled somewhat like that. So we have actually extended the shoulder set as well. So we made the whole drawing just a little tad bit bigger, which is a good thing. We have the chest, and then we have one hand, the other hand, let's say right here. Okay, so there's foreshortening there too. Let's say like there's a t-shirt and shorts. So what we're basically doing is focusing on this, and of course, because that is, I forgot to put in the index finger there. So that is the index finger right there. Going back, and then we have, because the index finger is pretty much open. We could also do sausages if you like. If you check out our other videos focusing on anatomy of the hand, we mentioned that you're using pencil though, doing sausages for the different parts of the digit can actually help in avoiding more mistakes. So 1, 2, and of course 3 would be wrap around the racket there. And then once again, adjoining finger, 1, 2, and 3 to come a little bit inward, and then 1, 2, and 3. So this thing is not really wrapped around because it's not as long. That's the smallest finger. Tends to do that. And then we have the arm. Let's say there's our t-shirt. So it's like a racket is like either, I think, squash or tennis. But it can be instrumented for a whole lot of other things. So there's the t-shirt. And there's that's the elbow right there, and there's the foreshortened hand that would most likely assume a position like this if the person was concentrating force into that blow. The other hand would be open on the other side. But do check out some images, and then we could also share opinions on this. And then of course we have the palm of the hand, which is engulfed by the racket. So we're going to finish this off, but we're going to finalize this first. So there's our finger, index finger. We can show a detail of the nail. Finger lines, next finger, finger lines, and the smallest finger, finger lines, and then outstretched last part of the digit like that. And then of course everything goes into the knuckles there, and that goes, and there's the remainder of the hand right there. Now we could show the thumb like that if we wish, or we could leave it out. That really wouldn't work. It's probably because the thumb is on the other side wrapped around here somewhere. So this would really make the racket at that force fly out of the hand, so we'll leave the thumb out of here. Let's just highlight the racket. That's the bottom of the racket. Okay, so there we have it, racket swing. With the arm and of course the body posture, most likely to be like that because the force is pushing this shoulder forward, and the person is like really trying to concentrate all the power into the swing and hit the ball. So now it could be any other object, and we can use this very same scenario, this very same pose, and even the body language. Let's say that this was a muscular person. So, and you know, if it's, let's say the person is like trying to like, you know, swing an object, and we could like, you know, go about it in this way. Of course we would have to like change things around a little bit, make certain elements like larger, but the body language would still work. This is chest, and then of course we could like do that for the head, although the head is not part of the exercise, but you know, like slight crunch there, and show some rage or some concentration, and it will like really make the whole thing work. And of course this could be, let's say, a hammer being swung, and it could be anything. It could be a sword, again shown from the proper perspective. Could be a sword being swung. But so it really works. We put out content pretty much every day, especially content that like hand gestures, poses, uses. So please do subscribe, keep in touch. Thank you for watching, and have yourself a wonderful day.